All right, this workout is called Chase Me Now. You're gonna have one runner either at the 200 or the 150 and one runner at the 100. And as soon as the other runner passes this runner, maybe about 10 or 20 meters, however you choose, that runner is gonna take off and try to catch this runner. And this runner is gonna try to give everything that they got not to get past. The loser has 5 push-ups. On your mark. Let's go, Mari. Wait for my call, Zaya. Set. Go. Let's go, pump. Let's go, push. Five seconds, Zaya. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Let's go. Zaya's getting you. Let's go. Let's go. She's going to get you. Come on, Zaya. Pump. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Good. 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 Good.